Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito po ang inyong lingkod si Dr. Arlie. Ngayon, I would like to give a brief presentation on how to evaluate an opportunity. So, ang gagawin lang po ninyo ay apat po ang titingnan natin. Yung una, product. Yung pangalawa, kumpanya. Yung pangatlo, timing. At pang-apat, yung sales compensation plan. Kagaya ng isang sasakyan, apat ang gulong. So yun yung apat. They are equally important. So if you like to move from here to there, you take a vehicle. The better the vehicle, the faster and more successful would be our trip from where we are to where we want to go. So we will have a brief presentation with about 30 slides, but it will cover the four: product, company, timing, sales compensation plan. So ito po yung product, Soma Derm. At ito po ay makikita nyo po sa diagram o sa picture, homeopathic po siya, transdermal gel. Pag sinabing transdermal, by the skin, derma o dermatology, gel, pinapahid po. And basically what you will be getting here is ingredients that will stimulate the body to balance the hormone production of the body. So, ang mga isasagutin natin, what is hormone health? Where does it come from? How is new you life challenging aging? And how this can help our lives be better. So, una, ang focus po natin, 'di ba, yung need natin tayo lahat ay tumatanda, walang exception. From the time we are born, we are now moving towards 1 year old. Notice sinabi hindi 1 year younger, 1 year old or older. So, are you beginning to feel the signs of aging? Are you slowing it down? Is there loss of energy? How is aging affect you? Is this something that we would like to have? Ito ba yung normal natin? And so, usually, yung need is realized by those who are age 30 and above. Diba? Usually, there is weight gain. Yun ba? There is loss of energy. Yun ba? There is poor sleep, decreased libido, and there is already evidence of inflammation like joint pain, and we may usually have all of this. Ibig sabihin, tumatanda na tayo. And what is the source of aging? Ika nga. Ito po yung problema. Your body produces human growth hormone up to birth, from birth up to age 25. And from 26 to 40, it starts to go down. Actually, at age 40, parang we have only 20% remaining, and at age 50, our human growth hormone has significantly dissipated. And then pagka babawasan po yung human growth hormone natin, ayan, there is decreased exercise capability, there is diminishing bone density, kaya nag-uumpisa na humihina tuhod, there is a decreased muscle mass, parang pag tumatanda, pumapayat, and there is increase in body fat, tumataba, and many more. If you look at the diagram on the right, tingnan mo, pagdating ng age 40, di ba, significantly mababa na yung human growth hormone. So if we can support the human growth hormone to be at its better, let's say, state, then it can possibly help us, di ba? So ito po yung product, di ba? Ang unang pag-aaralan, product. So Soma Derm. Soma means body. Derm means the skin. Kaya nga Soma Derm, we introduced into the body through the skin certain ingredients that will support the body to normally increase or secrete our growth hormone. By the way, meron akong ginagawang ebook para sa lahat. Generic po yan. Human Growth Hormone 101 in English and Filipino. Ngayon, yung ating Somaderm is made in America, manufactured in America. Product is 100% made in US with exclusive formula, high-end technology, and cutting-edge ingredients. Ang importante sa Amerika, yung sinasabing GMP. Di ba? Good manufacturing practice. Aba, so dadaan ka sa karayom sa tindi ng mga requirements yan just to be able to produce, let's say, something made in the USA. Ika nga. And then, so meron pa siyang additional yung mga non-active botanical ingredients. So nakikita natin sa picture ang mga iyan. And then, unique po ang kanyang paraan to be delivered in the body. Di ba? Kasi usually, ang pag-delivery sa body, lalo na sa medisina, by injection, intravenous o kaya muscular, o kaya orally taken, di ba? O kaya suppository. Pero ito po, pahid-pahid lang sa may kilikili, sa may braso, di ba? Sa likod ng tuhod, kung saan po medyo manipis yung balat. Kasi the goal is to let the ingredients enter the body through the skin. Kaya nga safe po siya kasi pahid-pahid lang. So, meron siyang airless pump. So, you apply 2 pumps, full pumps in the morning. And then, ganun ulit sa gabi. So, 2 times a day, di po ba? To introduce the ingredients into the body. And then, dire-diretso 5 araw, pagkatapos 2 araw, bakasyon. So, apply for 5 days, then 2 days off. Pero pagka parang may urgent need, kasi meron tayong some health challenges, doblehin lang. So, 4 pumps in the morning and 4 pumps in the evening. Ngayon, how does it work? Una, homeopathic yung formula. Ibig sabihin ay microdose that will trigger the body's secretion of growth hormone. And then it will support the body. It will send signals to the pituitary gland to produce its own growth hormone. And then it will also at the same time increase levels of neurotransmitters in the brain and start the growth hormone pathway. Okay, ito po, magandang diagram to. Pan-doktor to, tingnan lang po natin. Ang gusto kong makita nyo mga kaibigan, ano yung mga organs na tinatamaan. So, unang-unang organ nakikita yung brain. Sa gitna ng brain, nandun yung pituitary gland. And that will release the GHRH, a growth hormone releasing factor. And then, tatama sa thyroid gland, nakikita nyo. And then, tatama sa liver. Pag tumama sa liver, it will release a messenger na ang tawag IGF-1. Okay? Insulin-like growth factor 1. Pero ang gusto kong makita nyo mga kaibigan, from this, let's say, IGF-1, it will support the heart. Vasodilation yan. It will support the brain. Anti-inflammatory ang tama. It will support reproduction. It will support the muscle. It will support the bone. It will support the ovary. It will support the testes or reproductive system ng female and male. It will support the kidney development of glomerular function and integrity of the kidney. It will support the thymus that will support the immune system. And then babalik ulit sa brain, di ba? And then yung somatostatin parang for the negative or positive feedback. And then uulit yung cycle, ulit-ulit lang yan. Pero importante yan, the pituitary gland will regulate everything in a normal way. So, ang importante lang sa atin, nakikita natin na halos lahat ng organs, halos lahat ng cells ng body is affected by the hormones. Kaya importante, balance yung hormones natin. Balanced hormones would means balanced life, healthier life. Yun lang po ang message. Okay, so ito po si Dr. Kevin Green, isa pong medical doctor. Sabi niya, we need Somaderm because it's a homeopathic preparation that sends a hormonal signal to release a very essential hormone that we have lost as we get older and that we so desperately need. And that is what? Growth hormone or human growth hormone. O testimony din po ni Dr. Lita Harris MD, kung di ako nakakamali, gynecologist po to, OB-GYN. I love the fact that in the genius of Alexi, yung formulator si Alexi Goldstein, he decided to include key ingredients in Somaderm like the velvet bean. Yan yung kasama sa 10 botanicals, which has been clinically researched and proven to increase or support the increase of endogenous, ibig sabihin ng endogenous, created by the body, growth hormone. In contrast sa iba, let's say injectable, exogenous po yan. Kailangan ng doktor yan. Kailangan may injection. Masakit po yung mga kaibigan. Ito, non-prescription, kasi pahid-pahid lang, safe, microdose, homeopathic. Yan. So, yan po yung testimony ni Dr. Lita Harris, MD. So, ayan po, no? Si Dr. Crispino Santos, may kanan, Pilipino po yan, regenerative stem cell expert. Si Dr. Kevin Green sa kaliwa, internal medicine. Si Dr. Cynthia Hall, isa pang OB-GYN. Okay? And over 5,000 physician practices have signed in to avail of this for their personal use and for their loved ones and friends. Okay, so what makes Somaderm unique? Ang daming mga stories po, health benefits and research benefits, and registered po siya sa FDA, at sa Amerika it's listed in the Physician's Desk Reference or PDR. Okay, so ito yung mga parang general benefits. Tingnan na lang natin kung ito yung magiging experience natin. May improve stamina, energy, increase energy, deep sleep, and vivid dream. Aba, okay. Sa akin mga kaibigan, deep sleep, ako, laking tulong po mga kaibigan. And then may experience significant weight loss kasi one of the major function of the human growth hormone is lipolysis or burning of fat. Ayan, no? Diba? Mukhang nawala bel-bel. Okay? And then, wow, ito yung bonus ng mahalaga siguro sa ilan. Increase sexual vitality. And then it may help promote hair growth, especially when applied early enough in life. And then may probably reverse the effects of aging. Yan, tingnan niyo sa kaliwa, si Eileen Miller. Akala nga ng iba, anak niya yan sabay katabi niyang kanan. Hindi, siya yan. Di ba? It will increase lean muscle mass and so forth. Okay, and then nag-recover from nakatulong sa mini stroke in 3 weeks. Wala tayong garantiya, pero ito yung experience nila and it may be something that will inspire us. Okay, ito maganda to. Video to mga kaibigan. Kung hindi kayo nagmamadali, pag nakuha nyo po itong presentation, panoorin lang itong video na to. Pero we will go over briefly, no? Kasi orientation po tayo. Ayan. So, panoorin na natin yung video mga kaibigan.
Now, my mom is going to try to come down here. About a week ago, she couldn't even get out the car. After Somaderm applications, and look, this is her second time she will be coming down here. Look at that. Amazing. No pain. No pain on her hip.
No pain.
Wow. My mom's gonna try to go up 38 steps. Before she couldn't even get up get off the bed from the bed. I'm gonna go. Okay.
Yan aakyat yan. Walang hawak-hawak. 74 years old.
Wow, this is amazing. Somaderm works.
No catching breath.
Yep. Good job.
And then ito naman, si Debbie, isa pong registered nurse sa Las Vegas. Mataas po yung sugar niya at nakatulong. Baka sakali rin po makatulong sa atin.
Wait, you just shared with me an amazing personal testimony about your condition. Your diabetes is way out of control before, right? And to the point where you're on the verge of like being hospitalized all the time. Wow. And it was A1C level of about 13.
It went to 13, and then the level they finally got it with all his medication, John. They got it down to, I think it was 8.9.
That's still high.
Yeah, and now I just had my test done just the other day, and I started taking this. It's
You just did
27.
it? Wow. And then you took the gel, the Somaderm gel, how long ago?
3 weeks.
Only 3 weeks. Okay.
Only 3
You won't
weeks.
get better. we hope that it will be low, you'll be low, get below 6 for you. In the
I
near
want off the
future.
meds.
Yes,
All of it. All of
yes.
it.
And I have faith that it will do
Yeah,
that for you.
I already noticed losing weight. I
Yeah.
lost 5 pounds.
Oh wow!
Yeah, and I'm like, oh my God, this is amazing.
Yeah,
And
when
it
you-
didn't happen with the shots.
You know, when you told me that your A1C is at 13, you know, I know how dangerous that is.
It's
I
very
mean,
dangerous.
over 10 is already
Yeah,
very
because I was
dangerous.
getting damage in my eyes.
Yes.
Yeah, and
Oh my God, that's why
I'm seeing better.
Yes, my vision has improved too. You know,
Yeah,
I don't have
amazing.
diabetes, but my vision has
I'm
improved
like
too.
using just readers. I didn't even go get the
Yeah,
prescription.
my friend Thea, she's a nurse, and she had to get new glasses, lighter, and her doctor said, "What the heck are you doing?" How is that
That's what I
possible?
said. Yeah, that's what I said. But the most amazing thing is the sugar level.
Yeah.
Is that I could,
So this
I'm like, there's days where I'm not even testing it because of the 130 or 112.
So you-
One day, and I've never been under 100.
Wow.
It was 89.
Wow.
And I was celebrating.
You
I
were
was
like almost in tears, and
I
I was
was
like,
celebrating in all my nurses. And
Yeah.
like, no. And I'm like, I can't believe this.
So Debbie, you're a nurse yourself, so you
Yeah.
know about all this stuff. And you said your sugar in the past sometimes over 600,
It's
right?
gone. I've been in the hospital at UMC
Wow.
for a sugar level of over 485.
Wow, that's
So
crazy.
no lower than that.
Wow.
And they get so upset with me, and I'm like, and I don't know what I've done.
So that's why I had to report this, because I said, if I tell people, they won't believe it.
I'm telling you, it's very true because I
And you didn't do anything different besides just using this gel right
Just
now.
using this?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
When I tell people I lost weight, I lost fat, I gained muscle, my arthritis went away, my vision has improved, I look 10 years younger, people won't believe it. But the people that know me for over 10 years, they see the changes.
Well, every day one of my CNRAs that I do business with, she's always calls me. She's like a mom to me. Her name's Norma, and she's always like, "How's your sugar today?" I said, "Norma, it's like 128." She goes, "Really? What are you
Wow,
doing?" I said, "No, I don't know."
Wow.
And I never put it together until today.
Debbie, oh really?
Until today.
Debbie, I'm telling you, this is you're
So ito naman po si Flora. Lots of pain, start walking after 5 minutes of human growth hormone gel. So ito po just a reminder, experience nila to, sineshare lang natin for educational purposes. It might not hold true to everyone. Kaya the best is inform your doctor that you will be trying this, and if it will help, why not, di ba? Oh, panoorin natin yung experience ni Flora.
Amazing.
I told her she's gonna get younger, she's gonna lose weight. Walk, that's enough. 5 minutes, you're gonna relieve the pain and she can walk better. Yes, yes, the better walk. I don't wanna walk even. She has to do everything for me because I don't wanna walk because I'm in total pain. The whole day I was in bed. So up to 2 o'clock in the morning. And then yesterday, I cannot do anything to it because excruciating pain. There's always a background. It's because in here, every time that I walk, it's like there's something pinching.
Wow.
And then in here, I cannot bend it. Just a knee replacement. So I cannot bend it, so I hate walking. I hate walking. I don't even want to go to that boot camp that I paid $3.99 because I said, what do I do? How do you feel now? And I feel, did you see me? I cannot talk like this because I'm in never eat. 100%.
Just 5 minutes. Yeah.
In 5 minutes, after the stomach reactivation.
Oh my God, look at that.
Oh
my God.
Oh yeah.
It's like this.
I will not promote a product that's no good, okay? It came from them, but you know, I believe
Bakit lang ka pick up ng something at nahulog ako?
No, don't do that.
Yan. So, yan po yung experience ni Flora, mga kaibigan. No? Of course, we do not claim that will be true to everyone. But give it a try. Others may experience it in minutes, in a day, or in a week. Pero to be conservative, try it for 30 days to 90 days. And ikaw na magsabi kung nakakatulong po. Kasi ito naman po, hindi naman to drug, hindi to gamot. But it will help the body by supporting the normal production of hormones in the body. Okay, so Susan, ito maganda rin ang testimony ni Susan. Meron siyang neck and shoulder pain. Aba, panoorin na lang natin yung kanyang story.
So, Suzanne, can you share with us what you just experienced?
Well, I just experienced the most amazing thing. For the last month, I have had my neck out of whack, and I've been in agony. And I kept thinking, I have to get to a doctor today when this product was brought to me. And they said, rub it on. And so we rubbed it on my arms, and of course, I was excited to hear more. But my neck was screaming, and I said, can I try some of that if it works for pain? I no more finished rubbing it in, taking my hand out of my turtleneck sweater, and I thought, this cannot be happening. I thought it was my mind. The pain was gone. It was that quick. I really was in agony as I was sitting here thinking, I gotta get out of this meeting.
Yeah, when you were saying like, oh my God, I didn't know, I thought some emergency happened.
Oh my God, the pain literally dissipated, gone.
That's
Not just like
amazing.
less. I couldn't touch myself without. It's not that I'm numb, I feel myself, but the pain is gone.
Wow, that's amazing.
So this bottle is not leaving my head. Because if
This
it
is so
comes back,
simple, brother.
I know
I
how
told
to
you
fix it.
We need to have more inventory. I told you.
Yes, big inventory.
Thank you so much.
I love this.
Thank you so much.
Ang galing, no? So, subukan lang mga kaibigan. And let the results speak for itself. Kasi ano naman to safe naman po. Kaya yung pagka yung frozen shoulder, ako naranasan ko rin yan. You cannot just even put up your arms. It's painful. Meron akong kaibigan, isang orthopedic surgeon, si Dr. Mario. Meron siyang frozen shoulder. Minutes lang, nag-improve. Kung makita ko yung video niya, padala ko sa inyo. Meron din ako isang kaibigan, sabi niya, hindi ko nga maalis yung bra ko. Kasi pag ano ko sa likod, hindi ko maabot, it's painful. Pero after this, nakatulong. No? So, just give it a try, my dear friends. So, maraming po mga testimonies, kung testimonies lang. Pero, di ba, sabi natin, right product, right company, right timing, right sales compensation plan. So, ito po, additional information about the product. Ilagay nyo sa notes nyo. The only FDA-registered product for healthy lifestyle. It is a product that we must have. It's easy to incorporate into our daily lifestyle. Clinically proven ingredients, accurate dosing, homeopathic dose po siya, maximum strength homeopathic. And ito yung mga health statements. Of course, this has not been evaluated by the FDA, but one may experience significant fat loss, may enhance muscle mass, may improve mood, energy, and memory. It may improve sleep. Sa akin, yung sleep, mga kaibigan, champion. May speed recovery time if one is convalescent. May enhance libido and sexual performance. Sa iba, mahalaga po to. May improve healing, recovery, and flexibility ng joints. May help alleviate joint pain. Malaking bagay yun. May increase lean muscle mass. May heighten libido. May strengthen bone density, may improve mood, may balance blood sugar levels, especially if they're already within normal levels. They may help reduce blood pressure, may probably help prevent depression kasi meron po siyang mood elevating, let's say, benefits. It's for both men and women. And then generally, meron siyang parang anti-aging benefits. Kaya dati, yung old way, una injection ang ginagawa naming mga doktor. And of course, this is expensive, kailangan ng reseta, tsaka siyempre, turok, masakit po yan. Yung pills naman, fast before and after, pero may be less effective and may be poorly absorbed. Yung sprays may even be less effective. Ito naman po transdermal, nanotechnology, okay, in microdose, balat po, kaya nga dermal, gel, right? Walang amoy, affordable, no prescription, no diet change, no lifestyle change, no bad taste. Okay? Kaya malaki maitutulong po yan. And probably the only powerful and innovative transdermal gel available. So ito po si Dr. Ronald Klutz, President ng American Academy of Anti-Aging. Yan ang libro niya, Grow Young with Human Growth Hormone. Yan yung mga kanyang observations, right? He documented it. Reverse the effects of aging, strengthen the immune system, improve sexual performance, lower blood pressure and cholesterol. So if you have any of these problems, of course, you seek medical help and then print the PDR kung nasa America po kayo, PDR, Physician's Desk Reference. Show it to your doctor. Tell your doctor that you will add this into your healthy lifestyle.